Training versus testing data in AI. Training versus testing data in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning models learn patterns from data. However, to ensure that these models work correctly, the dataset is usually divided into different parts. Two of the most important parts are training data, testing data. These datasets help AI systems learn patterns and evaluate their performance. Without separating training and testing data, it would be difficult to know whether the AI model is actually learning or simply memorizing the data. Understanding the difference between training and testing data is a fundamental concept in machine learning and AI development. What is training data? Training data is the portion of the dataset used to teach the AI model how to recognize patterns. During training, the model analyzes examples and learns the relationship between input features and output labels. In simple words, training data equals data used to teach the AI model. Example concept. Training dataset means learning algorithm means trained AI model. The more relevant training data a model has, the better it can learn patterns. Example of training data. Example dataset for predicting whether a student will pass an exam. Study hours result. 2 fail, 4 pass, 6 pass. Example concept. Input. Study hours means AI learns means pass, fail pattern. The model learns that more study hours increase the chance of passing. What is testing data? Testing data is used to evaluate how well the AI model performs on new data. This dataset is not shown to the model during training. In simple words, testing data equals data used to check how accurate the model is. Example concept. Trained AI model means testing dataset means prediction accuracy. Testing helps determine whether the AI model generalizes well to new data. Example of testing data. Suppose the model learned from training data about study hours. Testing dataset. Study hours actual result. 3 fail, 5 pass. Example concept. New data means trained model means predicted result. If the model predicts correctly, it means the model learned the pattern effectively. Why training and testing data are separated? Separating datasets prevents a problem called overfitting. Overfitting occurs when a model memorizes the training data but cannot handle new data. Example concept. Training data memorization means poor real-world predictions. Testing data ensures the model truly learned patterns rather than memorizing examples. Typical dataset split. Datasets are often divided into portions. Example. Dataset means 70% training data, means 30% testing data. Another common split. Dataset means 80% training, means 20% testing. Large datasets may also include validation data for model tuning. Example workflow. Machine learning workflow. Dataset means split data means train model means test model means evaluate performance. This process helps developers ensure the model performs well on unseen data. Training versus testing data comparison. Aspect training data testing data. Purpose teach the model evaluate the model. Used during training yes no. Used for prediction testing no yes. Size usually larger portion usually smaller portion. Both datasets are essential for building reliable AI models. Python example. Example using Python. From sklearn. Model _ selection import train _ test _ split. Data equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Train. Test equals train _ test _ split. Data. Test _ size equals 0.3. Print. Training data. Quote. Train. Print. Testing data. Quote. Test. This code splits the dataset into training and testing portions. Libraries like scikit-learn provide tools for dataset splitting. Real-world applications. Training and testing datasets are used in many AI systems. Image recognition. Training data contains labeled images used to train the model. Testing data evaluates how accurately the model recognizes new images. Spam detection. Email datasets are used to train models to recognize spam patterns. Testing data checks whether the model correctly identifies spam emails. Recommendation systems. User behavior data trains recommendation models. Testing data evaluates how accurately the system predicts user preferences. Concepts learned from training versus testing data. Understanding this concept helps beginners learn. Checkmark how machine learning models are trained. Checkmark how model performance is evaluated. Checkmark why dataset splitting is important. Training and testing data are fundamental components of machine learning workflows. Simple definition. Training data. The portion of a dataset used to teach an AI model how to recognize patterns. Testing data. The portion of a dataset used to evaluate how well the trained AI model performs on new data. Final summary. Training and testing data are two essential components of machine learning datasets. Training data is used to teach the AI model patterns and relationships in data. Testing data is used to evaluate how well the trained model performs on unseen examples. By separating datasets into training and testing portions, developers can ensure that AI models learn meaningful patterns and perform reliably in real-world applications. Understanding this concept is fundamental for learning machine learning, data science, and artificial intelligence.